The drone industry just changed forever. DJI has finally announced the Neo 2, and this isn't just another update, it's a complete game changer. We're talking about a drone that's compact, ultra-portable, and yet powerful enough to deliver 8K video, pro-level photography, and next-gen AI flight modes. With over 40 minutes of flight time, improved obstacle avoidance, and a brand new camera system, the Neo 2 feels like the perfect blend of a travel-friendly drone and a professional filmmaking tool. In this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know, from design and features to hands-on impressions, so you'll see why the DJI Neo 2 might just be the drone that changes everything. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The drone industry has always been synonymous with constant innovation, and few companies embody that spirit as much as DJI. Every time they unveil a new product, it creates waves across the community of aerial photographers, filmmakers, and hobbyists. With the announcement of the DJI Neo 2, that wave has turned into a tidal shift, because this is not just another incremental update, but rather a generational leap forward that has the potential to reshape how we think about compact drones. The first DJI Neo was praised for being lightweight, easy to use, and surprisingly powerful for its size, but it also came with limitations that kept it in the casual drone category. The Neo 2 changes that narrative completely, positioning itself as a small yet mighty drone that feels like a bridge between entry-level models and the professional-grade devices DJI is known for. In many ways, the Neo 2 looks like the company's boldest attempt to redefine what a mini drone can achieve, and the excitement surrounding it is more than justified. When the first leaks started surfacing earlier this year, drone enthusiasts speculated whether DJI would truly overhaul the Neo line or simply refresh it with minor tweaks. Early whispers of a bigger sensor, 8K video capabilities, and enhanced AI-powered flight modes made fans curious but also cautious. After all, many products have been hyped only to deliver marginal improvements. But now that the Neo 2 is officially announced, the speculation has been replaced by awe. DJI has delivered a drone that combines portability with professional-grade power, and in doing so, they may have blurred the line between hobbyist drones and advanced filmmaking tools. The Neo 2 introduces a larger image sensor capable of capturing stunning detail even in challenging lighting conditions, and with 8K video recording on board, this compact machine suddenly feels like a cinema tool small enough to fit in a backpack. That combination alone would have been impressive, but DJI went even further, equipping the Neo 2 with next-generation obstacle avoidance, improved wind resistance, and extended battery life, making it one of the most complete packages we have ever seen in this size category. The design of the Neo 2 reflects DJI's evolving philosophy of minimalism combined with robust engineering. On the outside, it retains the slim and foldable frame that made the original Neo so convenient, but this time the build feels sturdier and more premium. The weight has been balanced carefully to stay under regulatory limits in many countries, allowing pilots to fly without complicated licensing requirements. Yet despite the lightweight design, DJI has managed to pack in technology that rivals their larger drones, creating what many are already calling the ultimate travel filmmaker's dream. Pick it up in your hand, and you can feel the refinement in every detail, from the smooth folding arms to the aerodynamic shape optimized for stable flight in windy environments. One of the most talked about features of the Neo 2 is its advanced camera system. DJI has always been a leader in aerial imaging, and this time they've truly